Hello everyone, this is me Kashmala Ali from Train Machine Models. Today we are going to cover another topic in our Python programming series, and the topic we cover today is Python list. So now let's get started. So what is Python list or list in a Python? So list basically are storing a multiple items in a single variable. In a previous video, we created a variable and store a value in it. But as we have seen that a variable store a single value, but in a list we can store a multiple items in a single variable. And list allow us to duplicate values and ordered and a changeable. What is ordered and what is changeable? Let's check it in our editor. And okay, so now we are in our editor and we are going to create our list. So first we write the name of our list and assignment operator and square bracket. When we are going to assign a multiple items to a single variable, so we always use a square bracket and we write the multiple items in a square bracket. Like apple, mango, and orange. As in slide, I have mentioned that list allow you to add a duplicate items. So if you are going to add apple again, then it will not generate any error. Now it's time to print our list. So hit the run button and here's all the items of our list is printed on the screen. Now if you want to print a specific item, then print name of a list, and in square bracket we mention the index of index which we want to print on our screen. So now keep in mind that list always start with a 0 index. Apple is in a 0 position and then mango is 1 and so on. So if I enter 0 and hit run, then it's print apple on a screen. List allow us to add item which belong to a different data types. Like this, in our previous first list foods, we have added a string data type, means apple, orange. These are belongs to a string data type. Now if you want to create a list which contain a multiple data type, then it will be created in a Python and it doesn't generate any error. So now we will create it. String, integer, float, and now we are going to print it. As you have seen that it prints all the item of our list with a different data type and it doesn't generate any error. Okay, in a list, if you want to print the item in a specific range, then you will print like this. But first we have to add some item in a list. Now print fruits, and in square bracket we mention the range as 1, 2, 4. Keep in mind it will start from an index 1 and ends in index 3. Index 4 will not be printed on a screen. So it's mango, orange and apple. 1, 2 and 3. It doesn't print zero, so it print in a specific range, and the last item of a range will not be printed. It's like 1 to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 is not included. Now we will learn how we add an item in a list, how we delete an item from a list, and how we change the value of a specific index. Now, first of all, add an item in a list. Simply write the name of a list and then append method and the value. Now if you print banana is added to our list at the end of list. Whenever we add an item in our list with the append method, it adds the item at the end of a list. In a slide I have mentioned ordered. That's ordered mean if we add any item in our list, then it will be ordered. Like if I add banana, then it will be add at the end of the list, not in a start, not in a middle. Now how we change the value of any index? We can change it like this. Name of a list, and like if you want to change the value for mango, 1 equal to now if you print our so here it's changed the value of a mango with a dragon fruit. Now if you want to remove any item, then simply write the name of a list, then remove, and like if you want to delete a dragon fruit, then it's delete the dragon fruit from our list. Now if you want to remove the item from an index number, specific index number, then we use the method pop and write an index. Like if you want to delete orange, then simply 1 and print it. So here it's delete the orange from a list. So if you have any query, then write in a comment box. I will answer all of your queries, and if you like the video, then hit the like button, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.